Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. Obviously in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we will have the list of all visited websites. Of course you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button, but if you've got a lot of them here applied, saved actually, then you can just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will untick, for example, autofill from data, and then just tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.